Alright, y'all, let's make some homemade fig spread for my bacon cheese sandwich. First, we're gonna start with some sugar and water in the pot. We're gonna boil that. I bought some brown turkey figs. My fig shrub is pretty young, as you can see, so it's not producing any figs right now. Hopefully, I get some next year. So right now, I'm just chopping the figs up in 4 quarters. Yeah, I'm a little nervous about this fig spread because I don't like figs and I don't want to waste the spread. Alright, I got them all chopped up. I think this is like a pound. My sugar and water is boiling. I want to add thin slices of lemon in there. And then I'm going to place the figs right on top. Okay, you want the figs to get back to a boiling point. So once the figs get back to that point, you want to take it off the heat and puree it in like a blender. And then your fig spread is ready. I use brie cheese for this sandwich. I've seen this recipe online with the bacon grilled cheese, so I thought I would try it. If y'all know any good fig recipes, y'all comment below. I rate the bacon cheese sandwich probably about 6.5, 7. Yeah, I'm just not a fan of figs, but I did can the rest of the spread up because I'm not going to waste it. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you next time.